Let's talk about Google Analytics today. And so, first off, what is Google Analytics? Well, Google Analytics it's a tool that Google provides, a free tool to where you can measure the traffic and ongoings of your website. And so, Google has a lot of free tools. I highly recommend every small business owner is using Google Analytics. And let me give you 5 quick reasons why I recommend using it. Number one, you can judge how much traffic your website's actually getting. So it's one thing to say, yeah, we're getting a ton of traffic to our website, but what does that mean? How many people are visiting your website each month, each year, each week, etc. You can actually measure that with Google Analytics, so you don't have to guess. You actually know. Number two, you want to know what are they actually doing? What are these people doing on your website? You can check things such as bounce rate, meaning if they just go to one page and leave, that's sometimes that can be a great thing if they're finding what they need. Sometimes that can not so great because they don't like your website. We can dig into the details later, but you can measure things as far as what pages are do people click through the most. Various different things, but you want to know what kinds of actions people are taking on your website, how much time are they spending on your website, etc. Number three, where do your clients live? And you can have geographical data based on where someone's IP address is. So if you're getting a ton of people come to your website from McKinney, this can help you create some content for people who live in McKinney. So you can maybe write articles such as best your fun things to do in McKinney, or just things that will speak to the people who live in the geographic location. So you kind of get the idea of how you can start to create content based on the geographic location of the people visiting your website. Number four, this is a really fun one for me, is what kind of device are the people visiting your website? What are they using? Are they using an iPhone, or are they using an Android? Are they most on a mobile device, or are they on a laptop or desktop? And you can actually look at these kinds of things by using Google Analytics. So it would make sense if you're coming out with, say, an app, a phone application, and you notice that 90% of your audience uses an iPhone and only 10 uses Android. Well, of course, you're going to put all of your money and your resources into building the application for the iPhone as opposed to the Android. That just makes sense, but you're not guessing. You're not just throwing out money at a whim. You can know where your traffic is coming from and what the people on your website, what kind of device they use. It's a very neat tool. Also, from a content creation standpoint, you can create content. If you have a heavily iPhone-based user, you can throw out. Let's say you own a security system, so the best security apps, a security alarm system company, the best apps for your iPhone to have for security purposes. That would really resonate with your audience if you knew what kind of device your specific audience uses. Number five. Is you want to know what websites are getting traffic. So referral websites, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Twitter, whether you join a local chamber. You want to know, am I actually getting traffic from this directory? You can see all those kinds of things in Google Analytics. So when a client of mine asks me, are we really getting traffic to the website from Facebook? I can say yes. Look, here's the Google Analytics. You're getting X amount of people to click through from Facebook, from Twitter, etc. You're spending really good money, with this directory because you're getting this amount of lead flow. So again, take all the guessing out of the equation. Download Google Analytics, set up your accounts free. You may have to have a web developer, put something on your website to make it track properly. But again, it's something that every small business owner should have. Get it installed today. Thanks.